No kidding. I didn't record the climbing here. On one climb, I'm here with the wind vane, the nails, the hammer, the coffee, and I'm going to just set it there. Doesn't really matter. That looks pretty straight now. Yeah, so the first thing first is to nail these guys. What? Come on, Armando, don't be nerd. Nail it. You know how to nail it? Ay, puta, the coffee went. This is where the coffee went. Well, I cannot have everything. Coffee just flew down. Hopefully it's not the camera next to me. Or Armando. Okay, I got that one. Oh man. Hey, what are you doing there, puppies? You don't know what I'm doing here, huh, baby boys? Why do I call you baby boys? You're always baby girls. Okay. The coffee is gone. The wind vane still looks good. Armando is still on the roof. And as usually, he's doing many things at the same time. Look at the girls. Are looking at me and saying, "What are you doing, little babies?" I am the little girl. I hope Armando doesn't fall down. Well, okay. There is the little Armando there. Okay, everything is on video these days. Ooh, the hammer, even the hammer. Okay, here, I'm gonna go do the other one. Hello, neighbor, racist. Where is your hood? Put the hood on. Doesn't look like very straight here. Well, anyhow, things have to be nailed no matter what. Okay, so that is that. Now, do we have straight line? Where is my straight line machine? I spent some time. This is Armando, how stupid Armando is. I spent some time building this bob, but then I made a big mistake is to use something that has a bias, but let me see. But I think that, come on, don't move. As soon as see how straight it is. It is straight this way. So nailed it. Did a good job on that one. Okay, I have to do that one. Okay, that's good. I think the whole thing is pretty straight, so we got it really right. Yeah. I think I got it right. Let's go get this stuff. Don't stop. You see, I was going to stop the video, and this is when probably the accident would happen. Okay, where are the puppies? Watch out with this hammer. I don't need the hammer anymore. Okay, hammer is there. I think it's there. Time to bring the vane. Hopefully Armando doesn't slide down like a squirrel. When I was young in Colombia, I used to sing. I used to jump from heights like this, no problem, just for jumping, because I love to jump, even though that it was from the roofs. Don't take the walls down, just know how to fall. That's what I used to do. Okay. Well, okay, then I have to go and make sure how are the puppies doing? We're gonna divide this in two. So, should we paint something in the thing? No. Just put it there and then see if it works. And then next time it's a beautiful window. Where is it? I don't see the horse. Oh yes, the horse is there. I'm totally crazy. I just get all these ideas about doing everything. And then, okay, so now, wind vane. Oh man, you're so beautiful. I found you, and I install you in no time. Don't fall, Amanda. So, is it gonna work? I haven't had you for so long, little horse. I think it's just gonna be fine. Thank you. Thank you, Fran, for a beautiful horse. Did I capture it?